Not Bangalore. Bengaluru.
Bengaluru?
Yeah.
Okay. Namaskara, Bengaluru. Welcome to the function Kaun Banega PPMT Committee. We have three special guests here. Our very dedicated, sincere, hardworking, and most importantly, very punctual politicians, Sri Vardhan Snake Raj. Thank you very much. Our second guest is South Indian superstar, Sky Queen, Rajneeta.
Yanna Valle, Kalli Valle. Don't block my way. And style king. Hey Kana, take a retake again.
So sir, this is our low budget channel. We will animate your style.
And last but not the least, we have our most sincere, user-friendly, people-friendly, and a feminine Swamiji, Sri Ranjitananda Swami. So let's start our program. My first question is to Snake Raj. Sir, I saw your picture in the newspaper during the election. You are sleeping alone. Is it true?
Yeah, of course it's true. Actually, the picture was not clear. If you want, I'll show you a demo.
Sure, sir. The stage is yours.
Hey, that's not the way. I'm showing you the way. This is my style. Sure, hold on a second. According to Vastu Shastra, you should not sleep. This is not the right method. The Vastu Shastra says, if you hold your clothes in the right hand, bend a little bit, put your leg, and look towards the other hand. Okay? Hold it like this. Turn towards the hand. Right? Put your foot like this.
Thank you very much for sharing your great knowledge, sir. My next question is again for Snake Raj. Sir, what is your reaction for the elections?
Yeah, recent election was very disgusting. Yeah. We spent crores of rupees and people took the money and went for IPL.
Thank you very much. Sir, what is your reaction?
My reaction on election, our politicians are really boring. They don't have style. They need to involve actors like me and heroines. Thank you.
So we are on the last part of our program. So I would like to ask the final one from you.
So I'm damn sure that we will be united. Because me and my party is the reason for the development of whole Bangalore.
Thank you very much. Sir, what is your final word?
My final word?
Yeah.
This Friday, my new movie is in your theatre. It is a rectangular love story. It has romance, new twists and turns, comedy, horror. Nana, don't miss it.
Thank you very much. Swami, what is your final word?
Watching attitude, because of politics, politics is putting a graph within the society. It's like your hand. If you hold your back like tighten it without one finger, you can't.